Hey friends, we are going to be learning about Earth's systems, and today we are going to be learning about water. So our question is, where on Earth can you find water? Now, I'm sure that you see water everywhere every single day. You probably had some water this morning to drink, or you use water to shower. Maybe you go to a pool to swim in water. Water is everywhere, but today we are going to learn about natural bodies of water. So where can you find water? Now let's look at this picture of planet Earth. This is our planet. Oh, and look here. This is us, the Dominican Republic. And I want you to think about what you notice. What do you see? Well, I see a lot of blue, and that blue must mean water. Okay, and then I also see some green. That's land. This is us. Oh, and then I also see white, and I'm thinking those are clouds. Okay. Look at how much water there is on planet Earth. Most of planet Earth is filled with water. In fact, there is a lot more water on planet Earth than there is land. All right, so let's look at some pictures of these different bodies of water. Ooh, I see a pretty picture here of a river. And then I also see, I guess this is like a beach, because I see somebody down here. Let's see. Ooh, I also see a lake. This is pretty. You see that there's land around it. And then I see an ocean. But what is this thing? Do you know what this is called? Yes, it is a big, big chunk of ice, but it is called a glacier. Now, guess what? This is also made up of water because ice is a solid form of water. So water can be found as a liquid and it can be found as a solid. All right, let's keep looking at some more pictures. So here we have another glacier, and this one's really, really big. And then we've got a picture of a mountain, and it's got snow on it. Oh, and guess what? Snow is also made up of water. Okay, let's look at two more pictures. Okay, here we have a picture of clouds. I wonder, why is there a picture of clouds? Guess what? Clouds are made up of water, but they are still in the form of a gas. So water on planet Earth can be found as a solid, as a liquid, and as a gas. Okay, so let's learn about the four main bodies of water. So the first one is oceans. Now, oceans are the biggest bodies of water, and they cover most of the earth. Oceans are made up of salt water, and this water is not good for drinking. If you've ever been to the beach and you've gotten some ocean water in your mouth, you know that it's pretty salty and you shouldn't drink it. Then we've got lakes. Now this is a pretty big lake, but notice that lakes are surrounded by land. So some lakes are bigger than others, and like I said, this one's pretty big, but they are always surrounded by land. Let's look at another body of water. Oh, here we have ponds. Now ponds are similar to lakes because they are surrounded by land, but they are much smaller and they are more shallow than lakes. That means that they are not as deep as lakes. All right, let's look at one more body of water. Rivers. Now, rivers are long bodies of water, and they eventually connect with the ocean. So they are surrounded by land too, on two sides, not all the way around. They have land on one side, and then they have land on the other side. And then they keep going until eventually they connect with the ocean. Okay, friends, so I want us to go on a quick field trip, a quick virtual field trip. You'll see where we're going. So here I have a map of our city, Santo Domingo. Oh my goodness, and look at this. Do you see what this is? That's our school. Here's Ashton School. And we are going to look for bodies of water that are close to our city. All right. Oh my goodness, wait. I already see some water here. That's a pool. Huh. All right, so let's take a look at this map to see where we can find some bodies of water. Oh, here's the first one. There is an ocean right by our city. There's an ocean. Then let's keep going. Let's see. I don't see any bodies of water around here. I'm going to keep going. Let me see if I can find anything. No bodies of water yet. We saw the ocean. Let me see if I can find. Here is a really, really big one. Look at this. All of this is water. Now this here is called Presa de Valdesia. So a presa is a body of water that was made by humans, but nonetheless, it is a body of water. And we can get water to drink and to shower. We can get good water from here. So this is a big body of water that is close to us. Let me see. Ooh, and I see this big squiggly line here. It's super long. It just keeps going and going and going. Let's get closer and see what that is. Ooh, Nizao. You know what that is, you guys? That is a river. This is another body of water that we have close to us. So we've already seen 3 bodies of water that are really, really close to our city. We saw the ocean. We saw a big lake. And then we also saw this river here. So what I want you to do now is I want you to go on Seesaw and you're going to find this worksheet. Let's read the directions. It says, illustrate and write about water in your area. So you're going to draw a picture, you're going to illustrate, and write about water that is close to you. Now, I don't want you to write about a swimming pool or the water that's in your bathtub. No. I want you to think about the different bodies of natural water that we learned about today. And I want you to write about those bodies of water that are close to you. I know that a lot of you like to go to the beach. Maybe some of you have been to a river. I don't know. I want to learn all about the bodies of water that are close to you. Alrighty, my friends, that is it for now. Bye.